Grand Sing room tour. Grand Sing is in Iloilo. Yan ang ating king size bed. Ang ating bathroom, doorways and cabinets. And siya receiving area. Yan, there's a receiving area. Cabinets, coffee station, the working area, mirror, our flat screen TV. Meron na rin siya receiving area again. Enjoy, enjoy.